ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a general quadratic equation. Let's try to solve it using the method of completing the square. So first step, let's divide right through by a to get x squared plus b over ax plus c over a is equal to 0. Next step, let us add to both sides of the equation, the left and the right. Let's add the square of half of the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x here is b over a. Half of it is b over 2a. So the square of that will be b squared over 4a squared. So let's add that to both sides. We get x squared plus b over a x plus the square of half of this, which is b squared over 4a squared plus c over a is equal to, remember we have added this, we need to add it to the other side. So we have b squared over 4a squared. Let's take this term here to the other side. We will get x squared plus b over a x plus b squared over 4a squared. This one here is now equal to b squared over 4a squared minus, this tends to negative when it crosses the equal sign, c over a. Let's sort this one out by putting it all under the common denominator 4a squared. So we will have x squared on this side plus b over a x plus b squared over 4a squared is equal to, let's get this out of the way, it will be our 4a squared, the common denominator. Up here, it's b squared. Here, it's going to be 4ac. What's our next step? The next step is now to look at this here and see if we can factorize it. Yes, we can. This factorizes to x plus b over 2a all squared will be equal to that which is on the left hand side, which is our b squared minus 4ac, all this over 4a squared. Now, let's take square root on both sides. These two goes, we are left on the left hand side with x plus b over 2a is equal to plus or minus the square root of all this here, which is b squared minus 4ac, all this over 2a, because 4a squared, the square root of that is just 2a. Now, let's leave the x on one side. We will get x is equal to minus b, remember this becomes negative when it crosses, over 2a plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all this over 2a. This is the quadratic formula.